Hi, my name is Madeline France, and I am a junior studying hospitality, restaurant, and tourism management. I'm taking this course because you need a leadership minor with a hospitality major, and I also think that it will help me in my future since I want to be a manager and just learning about all the different types of leadership styles and maybe what ways work and what ways don't. And yeah, it will definitely help me in the future with my endeavors. Um, an interesting concept that I got was from the Reading New Science of Building Great Teams article. This article caught my eye because I love working in teams personally. Um, I think that everyone has unique and different ideas that they can bring to the table that maybe you didn't think of, and I think it's just very beneficial to whatever you're working towards and working with a team. And I put a quote in that they were observing a company that, or a team that took breaks together ended up doing better and producing higher productivity because they were engaged and they had a different kind of energy because they were engaged outside of meetings. And so a lot of other companies started to um, have group members take breaks together so that they could talk and kind of have that energy outside of the meeting. And in the end, it produced a better end product. And this was, I also thought this was interesting because a lot of employers might see this as wasting time and not really seeing it working, but in actuality it helps a lot. So my future career goal is to hopefully travel. That's why I picked hospitality because it's a very broad major and it kind of allows me to go a lot of places with it. So with that being said, I'm not exactly sure what I want to do with my career, but I'm hoping maybe in the sports industry. I love sports and mainly baseball, so whether that's working for like the MLB or just a local team around here, I would love to do that and maybe do their events or just something in that industry. I think would be super fun and cool to do. An interesting fact about myself is I love to do anything outside. I love to be in the outdoors. I love hiking and hammocking and paddleboarding, and I could go on and on. Anything outside, I've probably done it, or I want to try it, or I want to do it. And with that being said, I love traveling to national parks and Yellowstone and so many other, parks that I want to go to. And so, yeah, that's just a fun fact about me. Thanks.